let me show you one of the best GoHighLevel offers that you can sell right now. Now, a lot of YouTubers are telling you, go sell this, go sell that, this is better, this is the best offer. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an offer that not many people are actually talking about, and this is the offer that literally sells itself, okay? So again, stop selling features, start selling systems. This is a system that I'm going to show you, so let's get right into it. So you're going to sign up to GoHighLevel anyway. Why not do it with my own link? You get extra 30-day free trial along with my private community access, free snapshots, and a full system for selling AI to local businesses. You will sign up to GoHighLevel either way. Why not sign up through someone that can actually teach you? And the best part, it costs you nothing extra. The link is down below. As you know, selling tools instead of transformation, this is what you want to do. So most people and most agency owners right now, they go in, they sell AI chatbots only, right? They're answering basic frequently asked answered questions on a website. Businesses can get this in a software, right? So you can charge $200 to $300 a month, but again, you're only selling a feature, right? You're not selling an outcome. You need to sell an outcome or a transformation. In this case, you can also sell AI voice agent, right? Answers calls, but doesn't connect to anything. And again, leads can fall through the cracks because only if you sell an AI voice agent without the backend, what are you even doing, right? I mean, you can sell all of these feature-based services, but then you need a system behind them, right? So an AI website only as well, like looks nice, but doesn't really generate or track or close a single lead on its own. So all of these things that you see on the screen are just tools, right? These are just like commodity services, and they're not really transformations. So you need to sell an outcome with what you're selling. So there's a hard price ceiling on selling features, as I just mentioned. When you sell a single tool, you're competing with every software as a service app on the market. You're not a partner, you're just another subscription basically. So they'll cancel when the budget's tighten. So when the budget is tight, right, obviously the local business will just go and cancel on you, and that will pretty much be it, right? It's your downfall. So in this case, right, you have a single tool offer where you're offering chatbot, voice agent, or a website, or you have a full AI system that you're selling, and that full AI system can be delivered with GoHighLevel, which is something that is really valuable. And you can charge this 3 to 4K one time, and then you can charge $497 per month for maintenance pretty much. And all you're doing is you're using GoHighLevel as a backend for that full AI system. So what local businesses actually need is they need three different things. They need to generate more leads, obviously, just, as an agency owner, you know how that is important as well. They need to track every lead, and then they need a system to nurture and close these leads. Now, most local businesses, they do have a system for generating leads, but they don't have a system for tracking every lead and then nurturing and closing every lead. So in this case, they do have maybe a predictable inflow of new prospects. Maybe that's by word or something like that. But again, you're here to kind of help them connect all these dots together and build a full system that actually generates the leads, track every lead, and then nurture and close every lead so that the business owners know exactly where the leads are and how to close them. So in this case, what you want to do is you want to stop selling the tools and you want to sell a full AI system. A full AI system is end-to-end system that generates leads, answers them instantly, nurtures them automatically, and closes them all inside GoHighLevel, okay? So this is an AI voice agent, an AI chatbot, smart website, automations in the backend, a lead pipeline, CRM dashboard, pretty much every single thing that GoHighLevel offers. And that's the most beautiful thing. GoHighLevel already offers these things, so you can just go in and you can sell these things. How beautiful that is. I mean, that's pretty damn sweet. Okay, so here are the 5 pillars of a full AI system. By the way, if you want to learn how to set this up, we do have a tutorial, 30 minutes on the channel, so you can go and check it out from the tech perspective. But Here you can see the AI voice agent. This is the pillar 1, so answers every inbound call. We have an AI chatbot, engages the website visitors instantly. We have a smart website, a conversation optimized site built to generate leads, not just to look good. And then we have an AI automations behind in the backend, because for the AI voice agent, you need to have an automation. For AI chatbot, you need to have an automation. For the smart website, anyone who engages with it, you need to have an automation in the backend. And also for the lead pipeline and CRM, where they will track all these leads, you need to have an automation in the backend. So automation is basically the foundation of the full AI system. So these are the 5 pillars, basically the foundation of the full AI system, as well as automations, which are the most important thing, because automations save time and then also turn those visitors or those who engage with AI voice agents, AI chatbots, into real customers, okay? So from a side payment to a transformational retainer, this is what you want. You don't want like a single tool offer. This is the old way, right? You don't have a setup fee. It's easy to cancel. There's no perceived value beyond the tool. Well, what you want to do is you want to do it with the new way. You want to have a full AI revenue system. Everything is connected within GoHighLevel. It's $3,000 to $4,000 for a setup, and then $297 to $497 a month for a retainer, right? One closed lead pays the entire setup fee. Premium positioning, and it's very hard to cancel because they will be relying on your entire system. I mean, just imagine that. Now, there is another way how you can sell this. You can go and sell a single tool offer, and then once you establish a trust, because this is, again, the trust is everything in this game. Once you establish trust, then you can go and you can have upsells, but upsells can be okay. You know, you're paying $297 for, let's say, a voice agent. This is what you're telling to a business owner. Okay, you can pay $497, and we will add on top of the AI voice agent, the AI website, the AI chatbot, the automations in the backend, and the CRM, and you will have the full access to it. Would you be opposed to that, right? You can say something like that, and then, you know, the local business owner, it will probably go for that offer, because the offer is just, you know, it's really like a very, very reasonable offer, okay? So okay, GoHighLevel powers every single piece, right? You have one platform, one login, you can white label everything, you can build once and deploy many of these systems over time, right? Depending on your sub account or whatever you're doing, and you have a recurring revenue machine. So clients don't cancel systems they rely on. Every month they use it and they see the return on investment with your full AI system. So again, like one new client pays for the entire system. Local businesses, dentists, roofers, HVAC law firms, they make thousands per client. So one extra job or appointment per month, and the system pays for itself. This is how you need to position it, right? So the average value of a new client for a local business can be well over, you know, $3,000 to $4,000, depending on a business, obviously. 24/7 is the AI system that works around the clock, and then 80% of leads they never get follow up with. So this is your selling system, right? This is why businesses will pay for this particular system. So position the offer in the right way, and then pricing will become easy. So don't say, I'll build you an AI chatbot, I'll set up a voice agent. Don't say what you're going to do. Say what you're going to do, and then what that doing is going to be like the outcome of it, right? So in this case, I'll build you a complete AI revenue system that generates, tracks, and closes leads 24/7. Or this system replaces a full-time receptionist and a follow-up team. Or one new client from this system pays the setup fee in full. So that's what you can kind of say. And when you're closing, just focus on the outcome, because business owners are selfish. The only way, or the only thing they think about is their business and themselves, just like you are thinking about selling them. So in this case, you want to make sure you're focusing on the outcome, right? The outcome is very important. So again, stop selling tools, build a system, and charge what it's worth, right? The businesses are out there. They definitely need this. Again, your setup fee can be anywhere from $3,000 to $4,000 per month, and then monthly retainer $297 to $497 a month. But keep in mind, you can also do this without a setup fee. Then you will have lower competition. So definitely think about that. And again, go and build the offer and see what this can literally do for you. And yeah, this is pretty much the end of the video. If you want to also learn how to get clients for your local business, if you want to, not for your local, but for your agency, if you want to sell to local businesses, we do have a 30-day free trial down below for GoHighLevel. And you can also join our community, private community. So yeah, if you want to join, the first link in the description. And yeah, obviously, we'll see you in the next video.